So, hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day. Sorry for being topless, it's really, really hot in Morocco these days. Anyway, so what I want to show you today is like an idea of what I think to be the optimal setting to try and replicate the Hutchinson effect. So basically, roughly speaking, my idea is to find all the devices John Hutchinson used to pour on, like turn on when the effect happens, have them one next to the other, and have them in a circular form. Then have a bunch of materials that are different in shape, size, and form inside that circle and outside it. Then turn on the device and see if something happens. Alright, so this is the optimal setting in my point of view. Perhaps if nothing happens, we should add some more parameters. Parameters like what? For example, having a centerpiece in the middle of this circle that is made of the material that is the most affected by this effect. If I'm not mistaken, this material should be brass and then aluminium. I think it comes in second place if I still remember. Another thing to have is like have these pieces. Some of them aligned with the devices and others aligned with the space between the devices, and this is true for both the pieces inside the circle and outside it, like these pieces here. A third preferable parameter is like to have, for example, 4 different materials aligned with each device and aligned with the space between each device, between two devices. Okay, so for example, we have brass, aluminium, iron, and wood. I have these 4 materials aligned with this device right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and have the same format, 4 other pieces from the same material aligned with the space between the two devices here. So brass, aluminium, iron, and wood, and so on and so forth. Do it inside and do it outside. A fourth parameter would be to move the devices a little bit left, a little bit right, a little bit left and right, like forward and downward, and see if a change happens. Also tilt them, like take a device and tilt it a little bit, move it left and right, up and down, forward and backwards, and see if anything happens. And the last parameter to try is to have this not having these devices one next to the, or have these devices one next to the other in a circular form, then have the same type of then have another set of the same devices put on top of each of these devices. So for example, let's say we have device A, device B, device C. We should be looking for another device from the same type of A, B, C, and put them on top of them. So we have, for example, A prime, B prime, and C prime. And that will help adding a third dimension or a higher dimension to our experiment. So yeah, this is my idea, and have a lovely day.